How to get attention from advertising agencies to listen to your song. Now, that's a very great question. Again, it's all based on your fan base. You have to build your fan base out. Your fans speak for you. When you build up a momentum where people are talking about you, and you get to that point where you have hundreds of thousands of people or tens of thousands of people following you, most of these people following you are connected to some kind of agency, and that's how it'll happen. It won't be because you solicit them. You got to realize, people like myself, we get tens of thousands of emails. I get thousands of emails on my email address alone, and that's not with me soliciting for music. That would be just people wanting to connect with me because they understand that we're part of the Peacemakers and what part I played in the music industry. So you can imagine real agencies that are legitimately helping people, or who have done some great things, how many they actually get. And you don't want to send unsolicited material, especially if you haven't done the work. I'll tell you again, guys, record labels are telling you straightforward right now, and this is the same thought process behind every other agency and every other company. We're not dealing with you if you haven't done the groundwork yourself, and that's a truth. That is, live that truth, guys, that if you have not done the groundwork that got people that's interested in your music, do not contact anybody, because that's what they're going to be looking for. They got to look for a way to recoup. And I've had to have this conversation like 8 times this week with people I know, you know what I mean? And I know I probably said some things that hurt their feelings, but it becomes rhetorical, man. People don't want to hear the truth, but you got to live your truth. I don't give a damn how bad life is going for you right now. I don't care. Use that issue of life and build your brand, okay? Use that struggle. How I work, when I went through shit, when I was down and out and done, I use my failure as my way to succeed. I use that because I have to govern and set a template for myself in order to succeed. So when I'm down and out or things aren't right, that's what I do in order. That's my motivation to make shit work. Do the same thing, guys. You know what I mean? But don't be contacting people just thinking they're supposed to give you a deal or work with you because you contacted them and you got great music. Great music. Everyone's making great music, bro. I've heard at least 100,000 tracks this year. Great music, great beats, great hooks, great songs. But if you haven't done the work, there's nothing I could do for you. Mario Thomas says, I'm currently interning at Royal Studios with Boo Mitchell, who did Bruno Mars, Uptown Funk, and a couple other songs with Mark Ronson. Smart. That's what I'm talking about. Now that's smart. You're interning, you're right there in the midst, and all that can happen to Mario from there is, as long as you are mastering your craft, you will get opportunities. Trust me on that one. Don't come in hard. Don't be overbearing. Go in there under the pretense of you're trying to learn what you know. You exude. Make sure you share and show them that you know what the hell you're doing when it comes to that. But if you don't know, don't come in overbearing. Don't be pushy. Don't do none of that shit. Just play your part, and opportunities will happen. That's what people really like, to see people know what they're doing and they're not pushy. But people, within the industry, when you are in that professional setting, people are looking for other people to mentor. These guys are looking for people to mentor. They know that they can make money with you guys if they can spread that workload to somebody they trust. Is investing in YouTube as a good idea? Yes, but have all your eggs in your basket. Have your website up. Define where you want to go with it. Know what the ending outcome is supposed to be. If you don't have that, okay? If you do not have that, then you're wasting money. So make sure you have that. It's just really where you are mentally. You know what I mean? If you're just pumping out a bunch of mixed beats and you're putting it out, you want to make it sound good, you know what I mean, to your potential clients, then you might want to use something that's automated versus trying to pay an engineer to do each and every track that you are putting out as a producer. If you are an artist, then it's always good to get professional sounding music mastered.